guys, so Bobby and I were...
Howdy.
Yeah, I'm here with Bob, as you can tell. And we originally were gonna do a Q&A.
We did, and you're still gonna use it.
Yeah, I probably will still use it, but I thought it'd be funny to upload this, because I was gonna put this in the Q&A like as a little segment, but it just turned out that we started filming for like 10 minutes of this, and I'm just gonna put it all, basically, of us.
The whole thing uncut?
No. We're gonna, basically, it's just us trying to sing different parts of a song that I was trying to put into the Q&A, but it just ended up to be funnier.
It was bad,
It was really bad.
I'm sorry.
We just couldn't get the notes, like, together.
I tried.
It was a mess. We did try. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed us singing, and here we go.
Alright, this is by Ed Sheeran. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3. I should ink my skin. No, it's already not good. Ready? I should ink my skin. No.
No? Am I going too high?
Just be a little softer. I should ink my skin.
No, we were all... You went higher!
I did not do it. Who did it?
You went higher!
Okay.
I see, I'm trying to... Should I do not that much head voice then?
What do you mean? Do it without. I should ink my skin with your name.
That sounds good.
That's it.
Better.
Okay.
Ready?
More vocal cords.
Yeah.
Here we go. I should ink my skin. Or it didn't match.
How come every time we try
Help. I should ink my skin with your
What?
name. Doesn't sound
You're
good.
going higher!
No, I'm not. I'm doing the same thing every time. I should ink my
So am I supposed to go higher that part?
I should ink my skin.
No?
I should ink my skin with your name.
Wait, should I not be going that high?
Just be soft. You're just gentle. Ink your
You
skin
see,
with
I'm
your
doing
name.
too much like
Think
chest
about-
voice.
Yeah, do whatever you want. Ready?
No, I'm...
I should ink my skin.
Okay, let me just get it first.
Okay.
I should ink my... Why am I going...
Do you have an accent? Ink my skin. Your name. It's a soft song. You don't have to push. Ready?
I feel like if I don't, you can't hear me.
We can hear you. Trust me.
I
Take my passport out again. No, gosh. We have to do this for like a week before we record it. I should ink my skin.
I feel like you both have accents now.
She just go like skin. I should ink my skin on your face. What's it say? What's the words?
I should
It's like clock ticking away at me.
Why don't we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Wait, Bob, let's just try.
What?
Let's rewrite the stars.
I can't rewrite anything. I don't know the words. Why don't we
rewrite the stars?
Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart.
Not the
Sun you're meant to find.
It's not up to you.
It's not up to me. What are you laughing at? This is my passion.
Good. You guys both
What?
stopped at the same time.
It's not a song guy. We should have her in the back as the audience.
She's like-
for her reaction.
Let's pick another song.
From now on, these eyes will not be blinded by the light. Is that the Lion King?
From now on,
These eyes will not be blinded. I found new love for me. What are you singing? Which song? You know I want you. It's not a secret I tried to hide. I know you want me. Saying love's a tide. I know we're playing the part, but you can stop on my heart if you believe in me. We should.
why don't we? I think my voice. I'm just losing my voice. Why
That's because you clear your throat every second.
rewrite the
stars.
Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart. You were the one I was meant to find. This is a Christmas song.
Deck the halls with boughs of jolly. Ba-la-la-la-la-la-la. Like, it's just annoying at this point. Everyone's thinking to themselves, alright, I'm kind of getting over it.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed us
That was the worst.
trying to sing.
Yeah.
It's a little tragic.
Yeah, you guys probably won't want to see that again.
This is a very random video, honestly. But I hope you guys liked it!
Yeah.
Bob and I are coming out with a song, actually.
Yeah, that's a little preview of it.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be great.
That whole song.
Yeah, the whole song.
Alright, bye guys!
See ya, guys.